Ah, there you are. Hiya, Keith. Happy birthday. 60. Nice one, matey. Sally's asked us to send you a poem. I thought I'd go one better and sing you a song. How unlucky are you? Ooh, here's the music.
Consider yourself an outgit. Consider yourself an old age pensioner. I decided to write this a song
Because at your age you should have been fellow.
Consider yourself an outgit.
Consider yourself losing your memory.
You now will get prescriptions free.
Because you are classed as elderly.
A little birdie said on his head, surprisingly,
There's no grey hair. Is this right?
if you think that's true,
You'll see now too.
Crazy, cause the facts are loud of shining light. Consider yourself an old git. When you're on the bus, don't make you sit.
Because now that you are 60, classed as over the hill. Consider yourself an old git. Because now that you are 60, classed as over the hill.
Consider yourself an old git.
Because now that you are 60, classed as over the hill.
Consider yourself an old git.
Have a fantastic birthday, Keith. We'll catch up with you soon.